It starts shapeless, unseen, uncelebrated. But someone believes in what it can become. One thread at a time, one step at a time. The world might not notice yet, but the transformation has already begun. Because becoming takes time. Becoming is beautiful. Invest in the unseen. Trust the process. Build patiently. From preparation to creation. Everything great takes time. Nippon India Mutual Fund wishes you a happy Pujo.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.